I'm really gonna miss this place, I'm not gonna lie. This is my first taste of independence actually. So renting a place might be common to where you're from, but over here, renting is actually not that common. A lot of people, even well into their 30s, are still living with their parents because that's the culture over here. For me, I love having my own space, I love having my own room, I love having my own independence. And it's been a really great 2.5 years of staying here. But you know, all good things have come to an end, and I have to let this place go. Anyway, my room is in a mess right now. Trying to figure out like what items you need for the next 3 weeks and what items I can go in the trash is quite a tricky situation. I'm trying to figure out what's what and what I can pack and send it back home. I still got lots to do. You know, packing up stuff and folding up clothes uses more brain power than I initially thought. It is New Year's Eve, 31st December. New Year's Day is tomorrow. I have no plans, obviously, other than packing up my room. Look at all this mess that I have to clean up. I have some boxes up. I don't know where to start. I guess that's it. This is the last day. I'm waiting for items to be picked up. Everything's behind me. It's actually quite surprising how much things I have lying around. I didn't expect it to be this much. I thought it would be 5 boxes maximum. Like a refugee now. It's definitely gonna be a bumpy ride. I'm saving like I think $30 on transport, so it's a good thing.